GoHighLevel affiliate program and breakdown. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be telling you guys everything you need to know about GoHighLevel's affiliate program. So make sure to watch this video till the end so you know all the deets before you get started. Now, a lot of people think that affiliate marketing is so hard, but with GoHighLevel, it can be made very easy. GoHighLevel provides you with a solution for all marketers and all types of businesses. It's tailor-made for agencies and still easy to use even for business owners. So it's the perfect tool that you can use. Now, what exactly does GoHighLevel do? Because if we're trying to promote GoHighLevel as an affiliate, then we first need to understand what GoHighLevel does. So GoHighLevel basically allows you to streamline your business operations by nurturing your leads into customers, managing your booking, creating websites, creating memberships, courses, bookings, and managing appointments. Not only that, but you can use GoHighLevel's platform as your own white label platform, which I'm going to be discussing at the end of this video. So, how do you join GoHighLevel and utilize all of those tools? Well, GoHighLevel has a free 30-day trial. So if you're looking to become an affiliate, you can actually join with the link provided in the description box down below so that you can get your 30-day trial and then see if you want to be earning money as an affiliate. Now, what exactly is the affiliate program? Well, as we all know, affiliate programs are when you are on a platform and you refer another person, that person joins, and you get a commission for bringing them to this platform. Now, GoHighLevel again follows suit with a lot of the other major platforms out there. So GoHighLevel gives you 40% recurring commissions. This basically means that if someone subscribes to GoHighLevel by using your affiliate link, you get a 40% recurring commission. You have monthly payouts to your account, and you have real-time tracking in your dashboard. Now you might say, hey, what exactly is this monthly recurring commission, which is 40% going to amount to? Well, it depends on the subscription that the person you have referred has purchased. So for example, if we go into the pricing of GoHighLevel, currently they have a discount going on, but the pricing starts at $97. So if you calculate 40% of 97, you can go onto Google and search that. 40% of 97, and that's going to be $38. So basically, anytime someone from your links purchases their starter plan, you're going to be receiving $38. And that is the way that GoHighLevel does its commissions. They give you 40%. So if someone purchases the unlimited plan, which is $297, you would be getting 40% of that. So 40% of $297 is going to be $118. So you would be receiving that amount of money. So this makes it really easy for you to understand the overall structure of GoHighLevel. Now, how do you become an affiliate? Well, go into gohighlevel.com/join affiliate, or you can just click on the link in the description and you fill out this form. Once you do that, you need to agree to their terms and conditions. So these are the terms and conditions. They give you an affiliate link. You have some basic obligations, some basic commission understanding, intellectual property, confidentiality, as well as liability, and just the general terms and conditions. Then you're going to log on to your account. So this is my GoHighLevel account. And once I log on to my account, I can go into the affiliate portal on the left. Now, in your affiliate portal, you're going to have your dashboard, then you have your promoter reports, then you have your payment details, as well as payment history, invoice history, and more. So in your dashboard, first off, you have recruitment. You will see your lifetime earnings. Then you will see your link. So you guys can copy this link and then share it with anyone that you're promoting GoHighLevel to. Below that, you have their affiliate journey courses, as well as global and milestones. Then next up, you have your promoter reports. This is basically where you see how much you're earning with promotion of GoHighLevel. So you guys can see we have our GoHighLevel affiliate program where we're getting 40% commission. Below that, you have your unique links that you can use. So you can click on copy and copy that. And then when will I get paid? Because that is a question a lot of people have. So payments are released on the 10th to 15th of every month. Next up, you will have your details, including your referrals, rewards, sub-affiliates, and payouts. Now, GoHighLevel actually has a two-tier system, which basically means that if someone signs up, let's say someone signs up using your link. So someone went into the link that you provided, your affiliate link, and they used your affiliate link to sign up, and then they become an affiliate. So you are going to be earning 5% of those second tier affiliates. So your recruit affiliates get 5% override commissions from their earnings, which basically means that if someone that you referred to on GoHighLevel is earning $118, you're going to be earning 5% of that as well. If they promote to another person and they opt for, again, the unlimited plan as well. So you would be earning a 5% of the plan that the third person subscribes to. It's really basic to understand, and a lot of major tech companies have used this method to encourage more affiliates and promotion. After that, you have your payouts, and then you have your assets, and you can add your payout method over here, as well as see how your payments are going. Then you have your payment details, payment history, invoicing, and then your general about section. So this is where you find all of your affiliate data, and it's very easy and self-explanatory. It doesn't take too much time for most people to get accustomed to the overall appearance and the overall way that the GoHighLevel platform works. Now, a lot of people say, is it actually worth it? Well, GoHighLevel is definitely worth it. The reason why I'm saying this is because I've used the tool on GoHighLevel to set up agencies, to create portfolios for businesses, and the tools that it provides for the price that it provides them are unbelievable. You have an automated appointment booking tool, you can manage your leads and customers, you can add opportunities, you can build pipelines for easy access. You also have payments that make it really simple for you to create invoices, and you're doing the media management for a SaaS company. So everything is very simplified here. Not only that, but you have the ability to build AI agents that not only are conversational chatbots, but you even have voice agents that you can use, and pre-built agent templates that are tailored for a certain use case, let's say a receptionist or a front door or a real estate service AI. Then you have marketing tools that are not even limited to emails. You have affiliate managers with countdown timers, trigger links, and so much more. And not only that, but in automation, you can build complete workflows from templates or from scratch, and even build your own landing page, website, store, and form. So whether you're trying to gather information using a survey, quiz, form, you can find all of that on GoHighLevel. That is why I do think it's still an amazing affiliate to promote, because the value that their business provides is amazing. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. That was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.